Welcome to handling updates in React Native. After watching this video, you will be able to update your React Native app, apply the latest changes to the Android device where the app is installed, and explore platforms to publish your React Native app. To update your React Native app and reflect the latest changes on the Android device where it's installed, you'll need to create a new APK or an AAB if you're using Google Play and install it. Let's understand the steps to manage the update process. Begin with making all the changes in your code. It is crucial to ensure that you've made the necessary updates in your React Native project. The next step is to update the version code and version name, which is optional but recommended. In your app.json or app.config.js file, update the version details. This helps identify different versions of your app. The third step is to build the updated APK or AAB. Use the same process you used for the original APK, but this time, the new APK will include your changes. Next, you need to install the updated APK on your device. Once the build completes, download the APK from the EAS dashboard or directly from the CLI output. Then, install it on your Android device. If you are installing the updated APK directly by clicking the Install button on your Android device without using the Android Debug Bridge or ADB, the behavior will still be the same. The app will replace the existing version instead of creating a duplicate. Here, ADB is a command line tool for communicating with a device, allowing actions like app installation and debugging. Let's see how it works when you manually install the APK. Firstly, there's no duplication. Android recognizes that the APK you're installing is an update to the existing app, as long as the package name is the same. Secondly, there's a version update. The app will be updated, and any new features or changes you've made will be reflected in the installed version. Lastly, the app data is preserved. Your existing app data, like preferences and saved information, should remain intact unless you've explicitly programmed changes that alter or remove stored data. The last step in the update process is to verify the changes. After installing the new APK, open the app and verify that your latest changes are reflected. Make sure that you increment the version code in app.json or Android manifest.xml before building the new APK. This helps Android recognize it as a new version, which ensures the update process happens smoothly. If you do not increment the version code, Android may not allow the APK to be installed, or the changes may not reflect properly. Now that you know how to update your React Native app, let's see where you can publish your application. There are several open source and alternative platforms where you can publish your React Native app, apart from the Google Play Store. Let's look at some of the popular ones. GetJar is a platform for distributing Android apps. It focuses on users who prefer alternatives to the Google Play Store. Use this link to visit the website. GetJar is one of the older independent app stores. It offers both free and premium app distribution. Another platform is GitHub Releases. While not a traditional app store, you can distribute your React Native APK directly via GitHub Releases. This allows users to download the APK files directly from your GitHub repository. You can visit the website using this link. GitHub Releases lets you control the distribution. It is useful for beta testing and distributing apps to a limited group of users. It does not have an App Store interface. Users must manually download and install the APK. Lastly, we have Aptoide. Aptoide is an open-source app store platform where developers can create their own store. Users can download apps from the store without needing to register, and it supports a wide range of apps, including React Native apps. You can visit the website using this link. Aptoide allows apps that are both free and paid. It offers a decentralized app store model. There is no upfront cost, but there are revenue-sharing options for paid apps. In this video, you learned that to update your React Native app, you need to create a new APK or an AAB if you're using Google Play, and install it. The update process involves making changes to the code, updating the version code, building the updated APK or AAB, installing the updated APK on your device, and verifying the changes, and various platforms other than the Google Play Store where you can publish your React Native app are GetJar, GitHub Releases, and Aptoide.